Good morning, friend. I am happy to provide you with a detailed breakdown of the naked put options strategy, including a trading script and a discussion of growth three penny stocks. The naked put, uncovered put, short put strategy. The naked put, uncovered put, short put strategy. The naked put is an option trading strategy where an investor sells or writes a put option without setting aside the cash or securing it to buy the underlying assets if they are assigned. It's also known as an uncovered put or a short put. Strategy overview. Market outlook: bullish or neutral. Expects the price of the underlying assets like a stock or cryptocurrency to stay the same or rise. Action: sell and out of the money. That means OTM. Put option: motivation to collect the premium as profit. Maximum profit the premium received when selling the options. This is the goal of a naked put trader. Maximum loss: substantial. Strike price minus premium received, dollar obligation times dollar contract multiplier. The loss is capped only when the underlying assets price falls to zero. But this is still a very significant risk. How to get minimum profit or maximum profit? The minimum profit you are looking for in a naked put strategy is the maximum theoretical profit, which is the premium collected when you sell the put option. Text maximum profit equal text premium received times text contract multipliers dollars. To maximum the likelihood of keeping this profit, choose out of the money OTM. Strike price: select a strike price below the current market price. The further OTM, it is the lower the premium but the higher the probability then that the option will expire worthless. Monitor volatility, implied volatility. Fourth, sell the put when implied volatility is high. As this increase the premium collected, your profit is realized if the fourth drops or the price rises or stays steady. Time decay, that means theta. Choose a shorter expiration date, e.g. 30 to 45 days to benefit more from time decay, which rapidly reduces the value of the options, making it expiry worthless faster. Trading process step by step in the USA. Disclaimer: naked options writing requires a high level of options approval, typical level 3 and 4 from a broker in the USA, as it is considered an advanced high risk strategy that requires a margin account. Crypto options trading may have different regulatory requirements and risk. Voice over script and step-by-step process. Note: the script assumes you have a funded margin enabled options trading account with the necessary approval. Step column 1, 2 column action, 3 column voice over script. Practical process on brokerage platform. Select 1 assets direction. Identify the assets first. Choose an underlining cells for the ticker. Step action voice over script. Practical process on brokerage platform. N and establish a bullish or neutral bias. Assets like a stock or a major cryptocurrency that you have believe will either rise or remain steady over the next few weeks. Symbol EGBTC or ETS or TSLA and select the option chain. Step action voice over script. Practical process on brokerage platform. Step 2 choose expiration. Select a near term expiration date. Next selection on expiration date. Typically a shorter duration around 30 to 45 days helps maximize. Click on the expiry date, e.g. 35 days out. Step action voice over script. Practical process on brokerage platform. Decay now as theta. Third, select strike price. Choose an OTM strike price. Now find the put options you want to select a strike price that is out of the money, or look at the put side, the side of the chain, scroll down to strike. Step action voice over script. Practical process on brokerage platform. Below current market price for a higher probability of success. Price significantly lower than the current price. Fourth, execute the trade. Sell to open the put option. To enter the trade, you will sell to open 1. Select the desired strike choose. Again, step action voice over script. Practical process on brokerage platform. Or more contracts, review the premium you received. This premium is your maximum potential profit. Sell, then open and specify the number of contracts. Verify the net credit. The step action voice over script. Practical process on brokerage platform. Premium. 5. Order submission. Confirm and place the limit order. Enter a limit price to ensure you receive your desired premium. Then review your order for. Set the limit price, the premium per share you want to receive. Step action voice over script. Practical process on brokerage platform. Contract size, strike and expiration, and submit the order and click place order. 6. Manage the trade. That means profit. Wait for expiration or buyback. If the asset price stays above your strike price, the option will. If the option value falls significantly, e.g. step action voice over script. Practical process on brokerage platform. For profit, expiries worthless and you keep the full premium. Alternatively, you can buy to close. the put for a small cost to lock in 80% profit. Click buy then close to exit the position and realize the profit. Step action voice over script. Practical process on brokerage platform. Most of the profit early. 7th, manage the trade. Roll or close the position if the price drops. If the asset price starts to fall towards your strike price, you must actively manage. If assigned price falls below strike, you are obligated to buy. Again, step action voice over script. Practical process on brokerage platform. The risk you make, choose to roll the option by buying it back on selling a new one with later date, or buy to close. The underlying assets with may lead substantial losses in a naked put. Again, step action voice over script. Practical process on brokerage platform. Limit a larger loss. This is the optional trading process. I think you can understand. You cannot understand, you will read the script matter, or voice over script matter. You read that. The 3 growth penny stocks equity shares. Note, penny stocks defined in the USA as stock under $5 are highly volatile, speculative, and carry substantial risk. Prices and high NAV, intrinsically calculated net assets value, a complex valuation metric not widely used for speculative stocks, are difficult to provide the definitely and can change rapidly. The price below are illustrative of their low price nature and potential growth drives. Do your own research. I now intrinsically calculated. I know now price is the important. That basis you are buying or selling mean that original price. I now is original price. Market price another price. Company name and sticker. Indicative current price. Growth mention how they could grow. Bit Farms Limited, that is BITF short form. $1.30 Nasdaq. Cryptocurrency mining. A Bitcoin mining company that uses predominantly hydroelectric power. Its growth is tied to the price of. Second, company name and sticker. Indicative current price. Growth mention how they could grow. Bitcoin and its ability to scale efficiently. Low cost mining operations. Positive sentiment in the crypto market could significantly boost its stock. Company name and ticker. Indicative current price. Growth mention how they could grow. Price. Data Storage Corporation DTST 4.80 Nasdaq could and data services, a company providing disaster recovery could services and data storage growth is driven by the perpetual expansion of the company name, ticker, indicative current price, growth mention how they could grow. Could computing and data management industries with potential for large enterprises contracts to trigger rapid price appreciation. Company name and ticker, indicative current price, growth mention how they could grow, focuses on transcranial magnetic stimulations, TMS therapy for treatment resistant depression, growth, release, increased option of their Neurontics Inc. script STIM rate 4.60 Nasdaq healthcare and technology. Company name and ticker, indicative current price, growth mention how they could grow, medical devices, positive clinical outcomes and broader insurance coverage for their innovative therapeutic approach. These are 3 penny stocks and some images I think you would like. Growth penny stocks, already discussion and mention it. Grow your wealth, earning premium income, naked put strategy, these are down or high rating. Sharp. Please like, subscribe and comment. Another video is there, 3 minutes. You will find out what is that. I think your hot touch video.
A naked put, also known as an uncovered or short put, is an options trading strategy where an investor sells a put option without holding a short position in the underlying asset. The main goal of this approach is to collect the option premium, anticipating that the asset's price will remain stable or rise, so the option expires worthless. If successful, the seller keeps the premium as profit. However, if the asset's price falls below the strike price, the seller may be required to purchase the asset at a loss, making this strategy potentially risky. Naked puts are commonly used in both traditional equity markets and the growing world of cryptocurrency trading. While they can offer attractive returns, it's important for traders to understand the significant risks involved and to manage their positions carefully. This strategy is best suited for those with a higher risk tolerance and a strong understanding of market movements. To execute a naked put trade, begin by selecting an underlying asset that you believe will either maintain or increase in value over the option period. Next, choose a strike price that is below the current market price, along with an expiration date that aligns with your market outlook. Once these parameters are set, sell the put option contract, which allows you to collect the premium upfront. Throughout the life of the option, closely monitor the asset's price movements to stay informed about your position. If the asset's price remains above the strike price at expiration, the option expires worthless and you keep the premium as profit. However, if the price falls below the strike price, you may be required to purchase the asset at a loss. To help minimize potential losses, it's important to set aside sufficient capital to cover obligations and consider using stop-loss orders or other risk management strategies. Let's take a closer look at 3 penny stocks that have shown notable growth potential. Ardelyx Incorporated, a biopharmaceutical company focused on gastrointestinal and cardiorenal diseases, is currently trading around $3, up over 33% year-to-date, with analysts setting a one-year target price as high as $8.65. Aeon Biopharma, specializing in botulinum toxin therapies for conditions like chronic migraine, is priced at $0.76 per share and has recently reported a significant turnaround in net income, moving from a substantial loss to a $9.1 million gain. Aegon Limited, a Dutch provider of insurance and retirement plans, trades at $5.61, reflecting a 17% increase this year, and has expanded its services in Brazil and the Netherlands, contributing to a 130% year-over-year rise in net income. These companies have demonstrated momentum through strong financial results, innovative product offerings, and strategic market expansion. However, it's important to remember that penny stocks carry higher risks due to their volatility and lower liquidity.
Thanks, friend. And once again, you will find out this is my favorite YouTube creators advice. I will give the advice. Google Ads, subscribe and press grow your channel. Last one is mine. Please like, subscribe, positive or negative comment. Any comment is there, I will positive receive.
Yes.
US flag salute, Mr. President. Thank you very much. We will meet tomorrow video.